In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix screen mirroring not working on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
So I have my iPhone right here and I have a TV, which is a Samsung TV, but you can really just do it with any smart TV you have. And basically, let's say I want to connect it so whatever I'm displaying on my phone is also displayed on my TV as well. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. Obviously, like the easiest way is if you use a wire. You could have a USB-C wire, so connect it to one end of your phone, and then the other end, like it could be a HDMI. So it could be a HDMI to USB-C, connect one end to your phone, connect the other end to your TV. That's the easiest way and most reliable way to do it, regardless of whichever TV you have. But the other method is the screen mirroring option. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure your phone and your TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. That's very important. It's not going to work otherwise. And just make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both of them as well. Now, on your phone, all you want to do is swipe down on the top right. You're going to see your control panel with a lot of different options. You're going to see this little screen mirroring icon, and then it's going to show your TV. So all you want to do is go ahead and click on your TV right there. And then after a few seconds, as you can see, it now shows my screen. And I've just moved it to the center now so you can get a better look of it. But now anything I do on my phone, of course, there's like a slight 1 second delay or half a second delay. But literally anything I do on my phone now is now also displayed on my TV as well. And yeah, you can literally just do whatever you want. You can change the orientation. For example, if I'm watching a video, maybe I'm streaming something on my phone, I could switch that over to my TV as well, and then I'll be good to go. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.